What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new here, my name is Evan. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because today we are going to get to 100,000 subscribers, but I need your help. Now, to reward you guys who are watching this right now that are not subscribed, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So all you have to do to get entered to this giveaway is subscribe to our channel and comment below with one thing you liked about this video. That puts you in automatically to win a throtl slap sticker. So we're gonna be giving away 100, yeah, you guys heard it, 100 throtl slap stickers. So all you have to do, one more time, is click that subscribe button and comment below. Now you must be a new subscriber. For our existing subscribers, you guys already made the right decision, but this is for those new people who are watching this right now. Please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and you could be winning a free throtl slap sticker. Now it applies to anyone in the world, guys, doesn't have to be US, so please go ahead and do that. Onto the video. So today's video is going to be a compilation of a ton of work that has been done on the E46 M3. Gonna be in a time-lapse format, so you guys sit back, relax, enjoy the content. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed some of that time-lapse stuff. Right now, I am doing my first test drive of the E46 M3. Now, just to kind of summarize some of the things that I did on the M3, new front grille, new side grills, we did the windshield banner, and I finally fixed the Mishimoto fan controller that was giving me trouble before. So it turns out I actually blew up one of the relays by running only one temperature probe. So I just got a whole new kit, installed a second probe, rewired everything, re-cleaned everything up, and now I am going out for its maiden voyage. Cross your fingers it does not overheat, and I'm not bringing enough tools. So here we go, here goes nothing. All right, so I've been driving for a few minutes now, and let's go ahead and see if the fans are on. Oh, I think I can already hear them. Okay, so as of right now, only one of the fans is on. As you guys can see, I cleaned up the wires here. What I'm gonna do is let this idle for 5-10 minutes and see what the temperature gauge is reading. Now, it does have the one fan on, so it may never get over temperature. So far, it's looking good. So let's go ahead. Let me show you what the outside looks like now. I'll put the hood down. Dang, I freaking love what we just did. The blackout package, with the exception of the wheels. Now, a couple of you in the comments said, no, keep the wheels chrome, but I really think a nice either satin or gloss black. I actually think gloss black would look even better. This car is just so aggressive. The stance is right. We got the fitment down. I mean, man. If you guys think I should leave it as is, drop a line in the comments, or if you think that maybe I should run some aftermarket wheels, I want to hear from you guys. So the rain is starting to come down. Temperature is still looking good. So I'm assuming that everything is working properly. Now, one other thing I wanted to address before we close out today's video is this camera. It's got a spot there. I know you guys have been noticing. Yes, we are looking into this. We are looking into picking up a new camera. Turns out the G7X, I guess you can't really repair. So just bear with us, guys. We have a couple more vlogs with this camera, and then we'll be switching over to a DSLR or something probably a little bit nicer. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Definitely remember to subscribe if you want a chance to win a sticker. We'll see you guys in the next video.